Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have Alienware 13R3, 15R3 or 17R4 and you are facing no sound or distorted sound issue on your Alienware computer, I'm talking about these model number, that is Alienware 13R3, 15R3 and 17R4. So to resolve this no audio or distorted audio on your computer, please, the first step is to update the BIOS. So update the BIOS. So open Dell website, that is www.dell.com/support. So open this website, then enter the service tag number of your computer and then click on search, or you can simply click on browse all product, then go to laptops, select Alienware. So from here you have to select your model number. So you might be having Alienware 13R3, 15R3 or 17R4. So select your model number. For now I'm selecting Alienware 13R3. So I'm going to Alienware 13, then R3. But you select your model number and then click on drivers and downloads. Then under category, from the drop down option, select select BIOS and then click on download. Now once you click on download, a small exe file will download on your computer. Now you have to run this exe file and then follow the on screen instruction to update the BIOS. Now before you update the BIOS, just make sure that your battery is more than 10% and the charger is connected to your computer. And do not power off your computer when it's updating the BIOS. Also disconnect all the external devices such as external hard drive, flash drive or any printer or USB cable. Just disconnect all the external devices and make sure the battery is more than 10% and the charger is connected to your computer. Then go ahead with the BIOS update. After that, restart your computer and check the sound. If it's working fine, it's fine. If it's not working, then install the high definition driver. So just type in device manager in the search box, then click on device manager, then go to sound, video and game controllers. Expand this by clicking on this arrow, and then here you can find Realtek audio. So just make a right click, then click on update driver, click on browse my computer for driver software, then select this option which says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then select high definition audio device. In case you see instead of Realtek audio over here, if you see high definition audio device, then you can select Realtek audio. But if you see Realtek audio, then select high definition audio device and then click on next, click on yes and let it install, and then check the sound. If that does not resolve the problem, then uninstall the audio driver and then install the audio driver from Dell website. To uninstall the audio driver, just uninstall the audio, go to device manager, go to sound, video and game controllers. So right now it's high definition because I installed the high definition. So you might see high definition audio device or you might see Realtek audio device. So just make a right click and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall and then restart your computer and check if the sound is back or not, or if the sound is distorted or not. If it's fine, then continue to work. If it's not fine, if it's distorting and you can see still there is no sound, in that case install the audio driver from Dell website. So from here simply go to dell.com/support, then select your model number or enter the service tag. From the drop down option, select audio and then click on download. Now once you click on download, exe file will download. Once the download is complete, run this file and then install the audio driver. Now in between the audio installation of audio driver, it will be, you will see a pop-up which will tell you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer, and after the restart it will resume the audio driver installation. So let the installation complete after restarting the computer, then again you can restart your computer, or you can simply check the sound. So one of the steps should definitely go ahead and help you to fix no sound or distorted sound issue on your Alienware 13R3, 15R3 and 17R4. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.